Today we will check this baby slime with frost, sledgehammer and a firecracker. Guys, you liked my video where I allegedly grew a homunculus. In fact, it was the usual baby slime, like this, which is very cool and funny. It is not as liquid as an ordinary slime, but it is also stretches and sticks to surfaces, but does not change its shape. Always this baby look. So, the first thing that occurred to me is to freeze this baby slime. But after a night in the fridge, nothing happened to it. As if it made of alcohol. Slime exactly the same, did not even become solid, just cold a little. The next thing I want to do is to see how this piece of sticky rubber will cope with a sledgehammer heat. I'm sure that the slime will keep its shape. Are you ready? So the shape of the slime is almost the same, but it has become a part of the brick. And now the most interesting. I'll attach this baby slime to this firecracker. Make this sound lower and let's begin. I literally can't not hear anything. I have some echoes in my ears. And look at my camera, I hope it just dust and everything can be fixed. But where's the baby slime? I cannot find it. Only this piece of... You just didn't know how hard we laughed when we saw it. I still laugh every time I recall it. Just look at it, just a wet spot, all that's left of the baby slime. We did not have time to film in slow motion, so let's try again. Yes, we did it the second time. Both slime are on the ceiling. It seems the funniest thing that happened in my videos. Guys, how do you like this video? Be sure to tell me in the comments. And that's it for today. Don't forget to like this video and make sure you subscribe to my channel. Leave your comments below and take care.